Right, so I just managed to get these bolts tightened up. The actual crash bar stays where they go mount into the actual bolt in the frame. So they're now in place. Makes it a lot easier to actually fit the fairing and to fit the crash bars when they're already in place. Right, finally, after quite a lot of messing around, I actually managed to get this panel in place. Right, so that's basically one back in place. Yeah, it's quite awkward getting the join. But at least one's back. Right, now I'm just going to move it around, get the other one on. Right, so same again with this side. Right, that's both side panels on. I'm going to leave the top panels out because obviously of the wiring. Because obviously on the engine bars I run spots, so all the wiring here will be coming up around to that side where the control unit is. Obviously I've got to feed these through to connect it up. So as I say, I'll leave these off, but I think next job is get the crash bar on. Right, just enough to actually so that bites. So now I can go ahead, connect it up. Right, so I've just got to tighten that bolt and the two up inside. Right, so that's one side on, bolted there, and if you can see the other one is just there and one underneath. So I've just got the other side to go on. I'll pop that on in a second, and then we'll move to the tile unit and put that back together. Right, so I've finished the crash bar on the other side, it's just the tile unit to bolt in. So I've actually got the cable to connect. Right, it's a fiddly bit to do. That's it, that's working. Right, and then it's just connecting up the indicators. Right, so that's the indicator the wires through. Just got to connect those up. And just tighten up these bolts. So that's everything from the back end. So it's just these wires to connect inside there and bolt these 4 bolts down. Right, and the last bit, back on with the seat. So literally all I've got to do is clean the hugger, put the hugger back in, and just connect up the spotlights for the on the electrics, and then clear up my mess. And lastly, I've just got to adjust that clutch cable, which will be a couple of minute job. But no, at long last, she's back together, running. I say, just got a few little odd jobs to do. But that was a mission, I must admit. Well, thanks for joining me on that one. Like I say, it's been exciting, it's been fun, it's been a real big learning curve. But I've really enjoyed it, and I appreciate all your feedback, all your comments. Next episode I should have finished the little odds and sods jobs, so to say. But as I say, it's just like the front spotlights and a few other bits and pieces, nothing major. And then obviously I can fit in the fairing cowls up to the clocks. But next episode we'll go through a breakdown of the costs and where the parts came from, what parts I used, so everybody's aware, and if it helps anybody then absolutely brilliant. Comments in the comments box below as usual. Really appreciate all your feedback, all your comments. Link to my Facebook page in the description as well. Pop across there and say hi if you want to have a chat with some people. I mean, I'm trying to build kind of a small community over there at the moment. There's about 400 followers, so it's growing. It's a daily process, a bit like the channel. It's growing as I go. It's getting there, which is great. There are links to other videos, top left and top right, and join me again next time. Thanks for watching. Cheers. Bye.